have this weird circle in the middle of nowhere, up in the sky. We don't know what it could be. It looks like
a sideway UFO.
It looks like a big balloon, but we don't.
It's a sideway UFO.
We don't see anything holding it. So it looks like a big sphere in the sky.
It's actually a total UFO. I see it.
It's not moving at all. I hear some helicopters coming, but we don't know what's going on here. Here comes a helicopter now. Trying to see what's going on over here. It's going towards the object. The circle is going to go toward it. But who knows what's going on here. This is kind of weird. The helicopter's going toward it now. Look, the helicopter's going toward it, Julian. The helicopter's going toward it now. Yeah, it's checking it out. It's like, what's going on? The helicopter circling it. There's nothing really. There's nothing holding it down, though. That's the thing. There's nothing holding it down. UFO in West Covina, San Gabriel Valley. Helicopter is circling it. What's today, Monday, Julian? Looks like a what? Eyeball?
Yeah.
Looks like a big eyeball. Helicopter's leaving the area. Looks like a big eyeball. There's a duck flying under it now. Well, my friends, is a UFO over San Gabriel Valley, and it's early morning, 7 o'clock or so, 6:40 something, and it's still up there. Look like something sticking out of it, huh?
Moved?
Yeah, like it rotated. But it looks like there's something coming out of it, right?
Yeah. I just saw like a little thing of light that when light, you know, like.
Is it a weather balloon or is it a UFO?
Yeah. I could see like a little thing sticking out of the bottom.
No, on the top it looks like a kind of like a dinosaur egg.
I could see like a little laser thing on the bottom.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, like it's a really long one.
Oh yeah, can you see it? I can't. It looks like an egg.
Yeah, it looks
like a bird hatching out of an egg. Well, it looks like a perfect sphere though, huh?
I know.
That's weird. As you can see, let's zoom out, pan out. It's fairly big size for it to be floating up in the air just for fun. Here we have this weird circle in the middle of nowhere.